Oh.
You want me to say action when I'm ready?
Yes.
Okay. Action.
I love my mommy because she holds my hand.
Turn the page. Good job.
It tickles. I love my...
Point to the words as you go.
I love my mommy because she takes me to nice places.
Very good.
Tickles. I love my mommy because she plays with me.
Oh my gosh, you're so good.
I love my mommy because she I love my mommy because she helps me.
Very good.
I love my mommy because she teaches me.
Ah, you got it! Oh my god. Yuck. Okay,
I'll get something I can wipe it off with.
here, we gotta start over now because you snot.